Good morning, everyone. Another day, another chance to start fresh. There's something so peaceful about these quiet moments before the world wakes up. That first stretch, feeling the sleep leave your body, it's like a reset button. Time to get this day started. A walk to the kitchen is always the first mission. You know what that means? Coffee time. The smell of freshly brewed coffee is honestly one of the best things in life, isn't it? It's the little rituals that make a difference. A quick tidy up, opening the window to let in that beautiful morning light and fresh air. It feels so good to just pause and take in the view. It's these simple, calm starts that set the tone for a great day ahead. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks for sharing this quiet morning with me. See you next time.